Alright guys, welcome to trading session number 36. We're diving into today, Monday, January 22nd. We are building off record highs since Friday. Dow and S&P climbing to new all-time highs. And, we have the Dow Jones climbing 105 points to 0.3%. S&P climbing 0.2%. Reaching a fresh all-time high, and then Nasdaq advancing 0.3%. We have Macy's in the news rising 3% after rejecting 5.8 billion proposal. Solar Edge jumped more than 2%. We got stocks that are just skyrocketing on the day, and we're going to be getting into that. Today's gains come after we had record highs last week, guys, closing at record highs since January 2022. The move, signals that we are in a bull run now. There is no bearish activity going on, and that is, I don't know if that's good. It's kind of good for us. We really wanted to build that QQQ position, but now we have to kind of put that on pause right now, and we're going to get into that. So this is pretty much the live update for today. If you wanted to jump into that, it will be in the description below if you wanted to read that. So let's dive into the portfolio now. Let's go to how the market is reacting here. Let's go to SPY here, and look at that. We have reaching high at 485.22 on the 6-month chart. This is the SPY Spider ETF. If we go to SPX, you could see kind of a similar graph here with it, the SPX at 4,868.41 at the high there. Now it's trading at 48.53 right there. So, and then now diving into QQQ, we really want to buy it at, we really want to build this position, but due to it being at all-time highs and at a 68 RSI level, that is considered overbought levels. We typically use that level to lock in profits and to sell, and we don't want to buy at the top while what we're going to do is we're going to see how it goes this week, because we thought that the market was going to correct itself today, come back down, and we were going to buy another position of QQQ. Did not happen. Investors are confident in the market right now since what happened last week at the market breaking all-time highs, and they're building off that. They're building off that this week. So we are going to be pausing our QQQ position. We're going to wait until this level comes back down to around fair value levels. But we're going to watch it. We're just going to watch it, stay cautious, stay conservative. We do have a market value of 3,300. So we do have a position. We have 8 shares. And we have the average price at 408.26, so we really want to see it come down towards that level to really start building this position back up. So we're going to wait and hold this QQQ 8-share position until we see more of a downtrend towards with QQQ. So that is the update on QQQ. Palantir, on the other hand, is insane right now. We have Palantir really trading pretty well. Look at that. So like I said last week, we wanted Palantir to get in between 1770 and 18, and it is working its way up as we had a high of 1835. So we have a strike price of 18. We could get our shares assigned if it breaks that 18 level. So we're gonna really keep keep an eye on the Palantir position as well, the covered call position, because we can get our shares assigned away from us, and we don't like to roll our positions. So what we're going to do is we like to do get our shares assigned and wait for another opportunity, build that Palantir position back up. So that is the update on the covered call position on Palantir. We went over the QQQ position. Now we want to do the $10 buy of the day. We are looking for RSI levels in, below 30. So we might not see that with some of these stocks, since a lot of the positions. I mean, we have Tesla at 36 RSI. That is close to oversold levels at 30, but we like to see that those levels below 30. So we have Nike at 33, so Nike and Tesla are looking good. Scanning all these positions, guys, scanning the RSI levels on the stocks that are down. Alright, so it looks like Nike and Tesla are the only opportunities right now. We also want to go over what we're down on. So Nike is in the red. Tesla is not in the red for us, so that is an easy sell for us. So we did really build that Tesla position up. So we are going to be going with Nike today, just because it's in oversold values almost. So since we were down on Nike right now, barely, we're going to be going with Nike instead of Tesla, because Tesla we are still at a profit. So we're going to go with Nike here. Nike buy $10. All right, let's go ahead and lock in a $10 buy of Nike here. We have fractional share $10, 0.09948 shares. Let's go ahead and lock that in. All right, guys. So that is a $10 buy. We got filled at $100.51. So that is building up our Nike position to now $84. So we are close to one share to be able to have the opportunity to trim it in the future. But that's our rule. We need at least one share to be able to trim. And this portfolio is still very small with the Mobile 30. Obviously we have the Q position that is pretty sizable right now, and then we want to use the Q profit to fund the other 30 stocks, and we want to use cover call premium to fund the other 30. So that is pretty much trading session number 36. Market is still ripping right now from all-time highs since last week. Our Q position we are pausing for now, just because we do not want to buy in overbought values. So we're going to wait. We're going to be cautious. We're going to see what Q's does. We still see it, above the 50-day, way above the 50-day, and above the 200-day, with the RSI level at 68. So we really want to, get that RSI level down to around 45 fair value. And then we bought Nike on the day. So that is the trading session number 36. Hope you guys have a great week. Hit the outro.